Hey y'all, thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel to see Auntie Charlene, your DFW house matchmaker. If you are thinking about moving to Dallas, or you live in Dallas and thinking about buying a house, I have a beauty for you today. Take a little preview, come back to see me. All right, just showed you that little preview. I hope you liked it. We're about to look at this beautiful new construction home in Dallas. We are in Dallas proper. And when people say, you hear the music? Y'all hear that music? When people say Dallas proper, that means you are in the city of Dallas. We are 10 minutes from downtown. We are 9 minutes from the up and coming Southern Gateway Park, which is going to be beautiful. This home, I'll tell you about it while we look at it. Let's go. So as you walk in, you already see the beautiful open floor plan. And if you've been watching any of my videos, you know that is my thing, that is my jam. Right now, you are looking at their beautifully tiled fireplace. This home is all about modern. The finishes, everything is modern and makes you feel comfortable while it's still modern. So, you know, I am not gonna bring you to a house that does not have the island. That is my second jam. You want to entertain, you want to have people over, you want to have a party. It is the perfect area for everybody to just hang out around. This is quartz. Quartz is absolutely durable and wonderful when you're cooking. You have the updated modern cabinets, all new appliances. I forgot to tell you the most important part. Let's start over. So this home is in the city of Dallas. It is $425,000. Do y'all hear me? I'm gonna say it again for you. $425,000. This home is 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, new construction from a private builder. That price is absolutely awesome when we're talking about being 10 minutes from all the hustle and bustle of downtown. So you saw that we have this. We have the open area behind you. You turn around, you will see that half bath that you have for your guests to use. And then we will head upstairs. Of course, you have a 2-car garage attached. We have pantry. We have understairs storage, beautiful dining area. And I always, in every house, I think you'll notice, if you've been watching my videos, you'll notice that I talk about the dining area, I talk about the kitchen, and I talk about the openness of the living area, because those are some of the most important parts. You want to be able to entertain most people, even if it's just family. You don't have to be throwing big parties. You can just entertain. This house also has 2 outside areas for you to have fun in, for your dog to run around in, for your kids to play in, whatever works. Let's go upstairs. So we are upstairs in your 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, your new home. Did you hear how I put that out in the universe for you? So here is your large primary bedroom. Look at all the space you have. And look, if you have a boo, you want to have a little private, romantic time, you got your own fireplace, honey. Look, just turn on the fireplace, have some wine, put your little couch right here, relax and enjoy. Walk-in closet with shelving. And then you go ahead in the bathroom. You look around, you'll see you have double vanities. You even have the floating cabinets. Now, if you don't know what that means up here, you see where my foot is? You don't see it sitting on anything. The cabinets do not go to the ground. They're literally floating. Beautiful shower with the rainfall shower head. So again, after you've got romantic in there, you can go in there and get more romantic. That's your laundry area. That is where you will have your dishwasher, washer and dryer. Now, what is wrong with me today? Spring has sprung and I think I'm just all off. Anyway, let's look at this beautiful bedroom. Now, it may be hard to tell from the vantage point you're looking at, but it is huge. Plenty of space for a king-size bed with your nightstands. Plus, you could have a dresser if you wanted it. And then you have your Jack and Jill bathroom. And Jack and Jill bathroom simply means that the bathroom connects 2 bedrooms. And as you see all of the beautiful finishes, the tiled shower up to the ceiling, that is, in most places, if you were doing this with a regular builder, it would be an upgrade. And again, 2,000 square feet, $425,000. Space, beyond space, beyond space. You go ahead back down so you can see the space. In the heart of Dallas, if you want to be close to all the action, this would be the place to be. I'll tell you how I found out about this house. So I have clients, they actually just signed a contract on another house. This was their favorite. The only thing for them with their kids was they needed 4 bedrooms. That was the only difference. And that's the reason why they went with the other house. But they absolutely love this one. So if you're interested, this is not my listing. So you don't have to worry about me representing the seller and you. You want this house, you call me. I'd love to help. Check out all my things. Follow me. Subscribe to this video. You're moving to Dallas. I am the realtor for you. Call me. Give me. Subscribe. And I'll see you next week. Bye.